Welcome to my channel Detail&Drive, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, expert insights, and real-world driving experiences. Whether you're looking for the latest SUVs, compact cars, or high-performance machines, we bring you everything you need to know. Today, we're exploring the all-new 2025 Tata Punch, a compact SUV that combines style, practicality, and modern features, making it a perfect choice for city and adventure driving. The Tata Punch has been a game-changer in the compact SUV segment, offering bold design, excellent ground clearance, and a feature-packed interior at an affordable price. The 2025 model builds on this success with new updates, improved performance, and enhanced technology, making it an even better package for urban and highway driving. The exterior of the 2025 Tata Punch maintains its signature tough and muscular design while introducing sleeker LED DRLs, a refreshed grille, and new alloy wheels. The front fascia now looks more premium, featuring a wider stance and a modernized bumper design that gives it a more aggressive road presence. The squared-off wheel arches, roof rails, and sculpted body lines enhance its SUV-like appeal. The dual-tone color options and new shades make the Punch stand out, giving buyers more customization choices. Under the hood, the 2025 Tata Punch comes with multiple powertrain options, catering to different driving needs. The 1.2L Revotran petrol engine delivers a refined performance with improved fuel efficiency, making it ideal for city commutes and highway cruising. Tata has also introduced a turbocharged version for those who want extra power and a more thrilling driving experience. The electric variant of the Punch, expected to be launched soon, will further solidify its position as a futuristic, eco-friendly urban SUV. The transmission options include a 5-speed manual gearbox and an advanced AMT for effortless driving in heavy traffic. The updated engine tuning provides a smoother power delivery and better fuel economy, ensuring a balanced performance for both new and experienced drivers. One of the strongest selling points of the Tata Punch is its high ground clearance and sturdy build quality. With 190 mm of ground clearance, this compact SUV handles bad roads, speed breakers, and rough terrains with ease. Whether you're driving in the city, going on a weekend road trip, or tackling mild off-road conditions, the Punch delivers a confident ride. Step inside, and you'll notice a significant upgrade in interior quality and technology. The floating touchscreen infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data, while the new steering-mounted controls enhance convenience. The dual-tone dashboard, premium fabric upholstery, and ambient lighting give the cabin a more premium feel compared to its competitors. Comfort and space are key highlights of the Tata Punch. Despite its compact size, the cleverly designed cabin provides ample headroom and legroom for all passengers. The rear seat now comes with a reclining function, enhancing passenger comfort on long drives. The boot space is generous for a car in this segment, making it a practical choice for families and frequent travelers. Tata Motors has always prioritized safety, and the 2025 Tata Punch continues this legacy. The previous model already achieved a 5-star Global NCAP Safety rating, and the latest version comes with even more enhanced safety features. These include 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, traction control, and a 360-degree camera for easier parking. The high-strength steel body ensures maximum protection, making it one of the safest compact SUVs on the market. When it comes to the driving experience, the Punch offers a smooth and stable ride. The suspension system is well tuned to absorb bumps and potholes, ensuring comfort even on rough roads. The steering is light and responsive, making it easy to maneuver in city traffic, while the updated suspension setup provides better handling on highways. The turbocharged variant adds a fun-to-drive element, offering quicker acceleration and a punchy performance. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point of the Tata Punch, with the petrol variant delivering around 19 to 20 kmpl, depending on driving conditions. The CNG variant, which Tata is expected to introduce soon, will offer an even more cost-effective solution for buyers looking for better mileage. The upcoming electric Punch will provide a completely new dimension to the lineup, giving eco-conscious drivers a practical and affordable EV option. In terms of competition, the Tata Punch goes up against rivals like the Maruti Suzuki Fronx, Hyundai Exter, Nissan Magnite, and Renault Kiger. However, with its rugged SUV-like design, high safety ratings, and feature-loaded cabin, it holds a strong position in the segment. Tata's strong after-sales network and affordable maintenance costs further make it a smart choice for Indian buyers. The 2025 Tata Punch is perfect for young professionals, small families, and first-time car buyers looking for an SUV that is stylish, safe, and practical. It offers a great mix of comfort, technology, and driving performance, making it a well-rounded package in the compact SUV segment. With new engine options, a tech-savvy cabin, and improved safety, the Punch continues to be a top contender in its category. What do you think about the new 2025 Tata Punch? Is it the best compact SUV for you, or do you prefer one of its rivals? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Detail and Drive for more in-depth car reviews, test drives, and automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and happy driving.